Okay, to get started on my dessert from the Dollar Tree, I've got this graham cracker crust, these milk chocolate pudding mixes for Dove, extra creamy Cool Whip, and a candy bar, one of these milk chocolate truffle bars. Okay, let's put this together. Okay, I'm going to put the pudding mix in the bowl. 2 packs. I've never used this kind before. I've always used the Jell-O brand. It smells really good. Okay. After you put those in there, I'm going to start off with 2 cups of milk. It's going to be 3 cups total. I'm just going to do a little bit at a time to get it thickened up a little. Okay. You can use a hand mixer if you like, but I'm just going to use a wire whisk. Okay, after your pudding gets thick, you want to get your graham cracker crust and pour about half of it in the crust. That. You just want to kind of spread it around a little bit. Okay, now you want to take your Cool Whip and use about half of it. And save the other half for the topping. You just want to slowly mix it in, like fold it in. Okay, now you just want to put the kind that's mixed up with the Cool Whip on top of the chocolate pudding mixture. Then you just want to spread it out. You take your Cool Whip and just start dolloping it around the rest of your Cool Whip. Just spread it out. Okay, after you get your Cool Whip spread on there, you take your shaver. Let's see. After you get your Cool Whip on there, I'm going to take my grater and just grate some of this chocolate on top. Okay, and there you go. There's you a Dollar Tree dessert. Thank you, Maniac Grammy's Homestead, for doing this collaboration. Thank you.